factors to improve your ranking in the search result is to have a fast website. And this is something that all of the website owners should be doing into their website. Not just having a fast website into their computer, but also prioritizing the mobile version. In fact, Google have driven this trend of minimizing the code behind the website to make your page loads faster and perfectly look great in mobile. And since you use HubSpot, the configuration will not be super complicated because they already have a built-in tools. So what you just need to do is just follow the best practices that I'm going to show with you in the tutorial in order to make your website faster, not just in the computer side, but also on the mobile version. And again, this performance optimization guide that I'm going to show with you is a non-developer thing. So it doesn't require technical skills. You just need to follow the instruction. Super easy to do. So let's just have a fun fact first. Why having a fast website is beneficial for your business. Benefit number one, improve user experience. Like all of us are in a hurry and we want to have a fast result, right? So having a fast website that works all of the devices, both in the computer, tablet, and mobile version can totally improve your user experience, which obviously help you leads into sales. Benefit number two, improve SERP ranking. If you have a fast website and old resolution, then Google will reward you by putting you on the top of the search result. Again, performance and the responsiveness is not just the factor in ranking, but it really have a big chunk to get on the top. So in short, this kind of benefits will totally help you to get sales because you are getting found on the keywords that you wanted. Third benefit, repeat visits or retention. Having a fast, improved user experience and a top SERP ranking will help you to be easily remembered. So are you liking those benefits? If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification to receive new videos from us. And I'm your host, Angie, and a front-end developer at F-Themes. So I'm going to share my screen now to show you the process, how you can speed up your website and just really follow these best practices when you are uploading something into your HubSpot or when you are writing a blog. Just make sure you follow these processes to maintain the speed and the responsiveness of your website. All right, so let's jump in now.
So to start with the optimization, you need to scan your homepage or one of your pages into a scanner called Metrics. So this is basically a monitoring or a tool that can help you to understand what are the factors that you need to tweak in order to make your website loads faster. So I'm going to open this page in here and analyze it. Click the test your site. And by the way, we use one of our free themes. You can always install this in HubSpot Marketplace for free. And yeah, so far we have a B score, and actually this is pretty decent for me, but we can still tweak this one and make it better. So simply go into the waterfall section. We can start on the images since that is the easier way to fix. And if you notice in here, like these are all the images inside that page, and this particular image seems like causing a lot of time to load in the DOM, which is 1.4 seconds. So let's open this up, new tab, click, and it looks like it's one of the background, I believe. So yeah, this one. So what you can do in here is you can download that and then go into the tinypng.com to optimize that image. So I'm going to upload that image that I just downloaded, put it in there, number 3, and to optimize. So by the way, if you upload some images in HubSpot, I highly recommend to stick on a WebP version instead of a PNG and JPEG, because WebP is the lightest so far among other image file. So if you notice in here, the original KB for this image is 76 KB, but we have able to minimize it to 45.4. So it's almost 40% saved. So I'm going to download that. Okay. And let's just name that final. And then we will re-upload that. I'm going to edit this page here. Click edit, edit page, and we will so jump in here and click this one, double tap, and we will replace that image with the new one that we just optimized. Okay, so basically we have able to optimize the page almost 40%. Now the other thing as well that you can take a look when you are working on a certain pages or optimizing on a certain pages is to check if you are using a video that is stored in HubSpot. I mean, you can embed Vimeo and YouTube, but it will still perform faster if you stored the video into the HubSpot file manager. But so far, I think we're good right now. And by the way, when you are uploading an image in HubSpot, like let's say I'm gonna add this custom image in here, make sure, let me just open that one as an example. Like, make sure that you set the image in order to load the image faster in small devices like mobile and tablet.
The other thing that I also want you to avoid is putting a lot of redirects into your website. Like, I know it's super easy to put redirects into your pages, but really, every redirect actions add extra loads into your browser, as it has to try rendering the page. And it also make the HTTP request response round trips. Yeah, as I said, unless it's too important for you to put a redirect to that certain page, I don't really recommend it. And it doesn't make sense to put a lot of redirects change because it's just wasting your web browser's bandwidth and web resources. Number 6, keep it short. No one likes to read long pages unless it is super detailed instruction. Also, every website and a landing pages should just focus on one single services or one single product with a one call to action. Keep in mind, a short and on the point page not only saves your visitors time, but also it helps your elements render faster, making your website loads fast as well. Obviously, that will make your website loads faster rather than having a lot of longer, elements into your pages. That doesn't make sense. And as always, speed has a big factors in terms of Google ranking. So always remember that. Well, unless you are writing a long blog post, your page shouldn't be stretched beyond 5 to 7 folds. And what's interesting is keeping your page shorter will force the copywriter to quickly convey the product and services feature into your page. Well, if you want to have a PDF version or ebook version of this video to guide you for speed optimization, then feel free to use the link below to download the ebook. Again, if you need any help with speed optimization or anything related to HubSpot, you can always contact us using the link description below.